Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use Zoho Project for procurement management, a 2025 guide that's sure to help you streamline your procurement processes. First things first, you need to log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, take a minute to create it. It's crucial to have an account as it's your gateway to managing your procurement effectively in one centralized location. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new project. Locate the plus icon on the top bar and click on it. Then, select New Project. This is where you'll manage all your procurement processes. Creating a project enables you to keep all your procurement activities neatly organized and easy to track. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up a task list. Navigate to the Tasks and Milestones tab and click on Add Task List. Here you can list all procurement activities, such as sourcing suppliers, placing orders, and tracking deliveries. Task lists are essential because they allow you to break down the procurement process into manageable activities, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Up next, we will add tasks to our task list. Click on the task list you've created and then click Add Tasks. This is where you'll detail each procurement activity. Be sure to assign each task to a team member and set a due date. This step is key because it ensures accountability and gives a clear timeline for the procurement process. The reason we do this is to ensure a smooth, efficient procurement process where everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Another great feature of Zoho Project is the Documents tab. Here, you can upload all procurement-related documents, such as supplier contracts and purchase orders. This helps us because it ensures that all important documents are easily accessible by your team, reducing the risk of misplaced paperwork. Next, be sure to use the Reports feature. This tool provides you with detailed reports on the progress of your procurement tasks, helping you to monitor performance, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. Now that we're done with the main process, let's wrap it up. Remember, Zoho Project is a powerful tool that can streamline your procurement process, improve accountability, and enhance document management. So, there you have it, a brief but comprehensive guide on how to use Zoho Project for procurement management. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.